Understanding marketing, strategies, benefits, limitations, and evolution. Marketing is a multifaceted discipline that plays a crucial role in the success of any business. It encompasses a wide range of activities aimed at promoting the buying and selling of products or services. The primary goal of marketing is to connect a company's offerings to consumers, creating a pathway for profitable transactions. Definition of marketing. According to the American Marketing Association, marketing is the activity, set of institutions, and processes for creating, communicating, delivering, and exchanging offerings that have value for customers, clients, partners, and society at large. This definition emphasizes marketing as a comprehensive approach that not only seeks to sell products but also to build lasting relationships with customers. The marketing mix, the 4 Ps. A cornerstone of traditional marketing strategy is known as the 4 Ps: product, price, place, and promotion. These elements collectively form the foundation of any marketing campaign. 1. Product. This refers to what a company is selling, whether it be a physical item or a service. The key is to offer something that fulfills a need or demand in the market. 2. Price. The pricing strategy must consider production and marketing costs, competition, and perceived value by consumers. Setting the right price can greatly influence sales and profitability. 3. Place. This element covers how the product will be distributed to the consumer. Companies have to decide on channels, such as physical locations, online platforms, or both. 4. Promotion. This encompasses all the methods used to communicate with customers, including advertising, public relations, social media, and direct marketing tactics. Types of marketing strategies. Traditional marketing. Before the digital revolution, traditional marketing dominated the landscape. Key traditional strategies included: outdoor marketing, utilized billboards, signage, and transit advertisements to reach consumers outside their homes. Print marketing, encompassed brochures, flyers, and magazines, easily distributed but often with limited customization. Direct marketing, included sending targeted messages via mail, offering promotions and deals directly to consumers. Event marketing, engaged customers through exhibitions, trade shows, and special events, creating interactive experiences. Digital marketing. The advent of the Internet has transformed marketing strategies into more sophisticated, digital-first approaches, such as search engine marketing. SEM involves both paid ads, PPC, and organic search techniques, SEO, to increase visibility on search engines. Email marketing. Companies send tailored messages, newsletters, and promotions to existing and potential customers. Social media marketing, leveraging platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter for brand engagement and targeted advertising. Content marketing, developing informative and engaging content that attracts and retains customers while positioning the brand as a thought leader. Benefits of marketing. Effective marketing strategies can yield several benefits for businesses. Audience generation. It helps companies identify and reach specific demographics who are likely to benefit from their offerings. Data-driven insights. Through research, businesses can learn consumer behavior, enabling more focused marketing efforts. Brand awareness. Marketing fosters recognition and builds a company's reputation in its field, establishing a connection with customers. Customer relationships. Regular engagement through marketing efforts builds customer loyalty and long-term relationships. Financial performance. Ultimately, effective marketing drives sales and revenue, giving companies a competitive edge. Limitations of marketing. Despite its advantages, marketing comes with limitations that businesses must navigate. Oversaturation. With so many businesses vying for consumer attention, marketing messages can become drowned out. Cost. Marketing efforts can be expensive, and there is no guaranteed return on investment, making budget management crucial. Diminishing returns. Sometimes, aggressive promotional tactics can devalue a brand in the customer's minds, making them expect discounts rather than paying full price. Economic dependency. Effective marketing relies heavily on economic conditions. During recessions, even the best campaigns may struggle to yield results. The changing landscape of marketing. As technology continues to evolve, so too does the marketing landscape. The rise of social media and data analytics has allowed for hyper-targeted and personalized marketing, creating opportunities for businesses to engage consumers in more meaningful ways. Companies can now utilize big data to understand customer preferences and behaviors, crafting messages that resonate on an individual level. Additionally, as consumer awareness grows, brands are shifting towards transparency and corporate social responsibility in their marketing strategies. Today, customers expect not just quality products, but also ethical and sustainable practices from brands they choose to support. The bottom line. In conclusion, marketing is an essential component of any successful business strategy. It requires a mix of creativity, analytical thinking, and adaptability to foster connections between companies and consumers. Although marketing strategies can entail significant investment, when executed effectively, they lead to increased sales, brand loyalty, and overall growth. Understanding the evolving nature of marketing, along with its advantages and limitations, equips businesses to navigate the complexities of today's marketplace effectively.